Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by creating safe access. Get the right tools and a clean work surface. Once done, pry off the right ear cushion and remove the visible screws. Keep them organized so reassembly matches. You want the battery disconnected before touching the power board, so gently lift the inner plate and unplug the battery connector with a spudger. This avoids shorts and preserves any paired memory. Make sure to orient the connector so you can reseat it exactly the same way. You now focus on the power button assembly. Identify the small PCB and the ribbon cable that leads to the button. Carefully inspect for cracked traces, lifted pads, or corrosion. This is often why the button stops responding. Once found, clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and a toothbrush. If solder joints are cracked, reflow them with a fine tip iron. If the tactile switch is dead, desolder it and replace it with an identical part. Make sure ribbon orientation matches before reconnecting. You finish by reconnecting the battery temporarily and testing the power button several times. This confirms the repair before permanent assembly. Once satisfied, apply fresh adhesive or 3M pads and close the shell, tightening screws gently so you don't crack plastic. Make sure the ear cushion aligns and clips into place. If the button still fails, check battery voltage and continuity from the button pad to the amplifier chip. Often a dead battery or a broken trace is the final culprit, so replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.